Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Friend English Podcast. My name is Ellie.
And I'm Danny. We are very happy that you're here with us today.
Whether you're at home, on a bus, walking outside, or relaxing with a cup of coffee, thank you for listening.
Today we're talking about a topic that everyone uses every day.
That's right. We're talking about weather.
Weather is one of the most common conversation topics in English.
People talk about the weather at school, at work, with friends, and even with strangers.
It is a simple and friendly way to start a conversation.
And the best part is that you only need a few easy words to talk about the weather.
So if you're an English beginner, this episode is perfect for you.
We will learn simple weather vocabulary.
We will practice useful sentences.
And we will help you feel more confident speaking English.
Let's start with a very common question.
How's the weather?
That's a question English speakers ask all the time.
Let's say it together. How's the weather?
Very good.
Now let's learn some easy answers. Danny, how's the weather today?
It's sunny today.
Sunny means the sun is shining.
The sky is bright and clear.
Many people enjoy sunny weather.
On sunny days, people often go outside.
They go for walks.
They ride bicycles.
They visit parks.
Or they simply enjoy the sunshine.
Here are some useful sentences.
It's sunny today.
The weather is sunny.
I like sunny days.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. It's sunny today.
Excellent.
I like sunny days.
Great job.
Now let's learn another weather word.
Cloudy.
Cloudy means there are many clouds in the sky.
Maybe you cannot see much sunshine.
The sky looks gray or white.
Listen to these examples.
It's cloudy today.
The sky is cloudy.
Today is cloudy.
Sometimes cloudy weather feels calm and peaceful.
Some people enjoy reading a book on a cloudy day.
Others enjoy taking a walk because it is not too hot.
Danny, do you like cloudy weather?
Yes, I do, especially when it's comfortable outside.
Me too.
Let's compare the two words.
Sunny means lots of sunshine.
Cloudy means lots of clouds.
Sunny.
Cloudy.
Sunny.
Cloudy.
Wonderful.
Now let's learn a weather word that many people know.
Rainy.
Rainy means rain is falling.
You can hear the rain hitting the roof.
You may need an umbrella.
Or maybe a raincoat.
Here are some useful sentences.
It's rainy today.
The weather is rainy.
I need an umbrella.
Let's repeat together.
It's rainy today.
Very good.
I need an umbrella.
Excellent.
Some people love rainy days.
They enjoy staying inside and listening to the rain.
Other people prefer sunny weather.
That's okay. Everyone is different.
Now let's learn another common word.
Windy.
Windy means there is a lot of wind.
You can feel the air moving around you.
Trees move in the wind.
Leaves fly through the air.
Sometimes your hair moves everywhere.
Yes, that happens to me all the time.
Let's hear some examples.
It's windy today.
The weather is windy.
It's very windy outside.
Repeat after us.
It's windy today.
Great.
It's very windy outside.
Nice work.
Weather words are very useful because we use them every day.
And remember, you don't need difficult English.
Simple words can help you have real conversations.
Let's keep practicing together.
Ellie, what weather do you like the most?
That's a good question. I really like sunny weather because I enjoy spending time outside.
I like sunny weather too, but sometimes I enjoy cloudy days because they feel relaxing.
That's true. Different weather can make us feel different things.
A sunny day can make us feel energetic.
A rainy day can feel peaceful.
And a windy day can feel fresh and exciting.
Weather is everywhere, so talking about it is a great English skill to learn.
Absolutely. And there are still many useful weather words we use every day.
Let's learn some more weather words that English speakers use every day.
Great idea. We already know sunny, cloudy, rainy, and windy.
Now let's talk about cold weather.
Cold means the temperature is low.
When the weather is cold, people often wear jackets.
They may also wear scarves, gloves, and hats.
Here are some simple examples.
It's cold today.
The weather is cold.
It's very cold outside.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after me.
It's cold today.
Excellent.
It's very cold outside.
Great job.
Danny, what do you like to do on cold days?
I like drinking hot tea.
That sounds nice.
I also enjoy reading books when it's cold outside.
Me too. Cold weather can be very cozy.
Now let's learn the opposite of cold.
Warm.
Warm means not cold and not hot.
Many people think warm weather is very comfortable.
Listen to these examples.
It's warm today.
The weather is warm.
It's nice and warm outside.
Warm days are great for walking and spending time outdoors.
Let's repeat.
It's warm today.
Wonderful.
It's nice and warm outside.
Excellent.
Now we know hot, warm, and cold.
These words help us describe temperature.
And they are very useful in daily conversations.
Let's practice a short conversation.
I'll start.
Okay.
How's the weather today?
It's warm and sunny.
That sounds lovely.
Thank you.
Now let's try another one.
How's the weather today?
It's cold and windy.
Don't forget your jacket.
I won't.
Great.
Now let's learn about snow.
Snow is frozen water that falls from the sky.
Snow is usually white,
Many people get excited when they see snow.
especially children.
They make snowmen,
They make snowball fights.
and they play outside.
Here are some useful sentences.
It's snowing.
There's snow outside.
The weather is snowy.
Repeat after us.
It's snowing.
Great.
The weather is snowy.
Excellent work.
Danny, do you like snow?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because everything looks beautiful when it snows.
That's true.
Snow can make a place look magical.
Now let's talk about storms.
A storm is weather with strong wind, rain, thunder, or lightning.
Storms can be loud.
And sometimes they can be scary.
Here are some examples.
There's a storm today.
The weather is stormy.
A storm is coming,
These are useful sentences to know.
especially when talking about weather forecasts.
Speaking of forecasts, let's learn another useful question.
What's the weather like tomorrow?
Very good.
People often ask this when making plans,
For example, if you want to go to the park
or visit a friend.
or have a picnic.
You might ask, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Here are some possible answers.
It'll be sunny.
It'll be rainy.
It'll be windy.
It'll be warm.
Very simple and very useful.
Let's practice.
What's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be sunny.
Great.
What's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be rainy.
Excellent.
Now let's learn a few weather expressions that native speakers use.
Good idea.
The first one is, what a beautiful day.
People say this when the weather is very nice,
Maybe it's sunny and warm.
or bright and comfortable.
Repeat after me.
What a beautiful day.
Wonderful.
Another expression is, it's a perfect day.
Maybe the weather feels just right.
Not too hot,
Not too cold.
just perfect.
Let's repeat.
It's a perfect day.
Great job.
Here's another useful expression.
It's freezing.
Freezing means very, very cold.
Much colder than just cold.
Listen to this sentence.
It's freezing outside.
Repeat after us.
It's freezing outside.
Excellent.
Now let's imagine different weather situations.
Sounds fun.
Situation number 1.
Okay.
The sun is shining.
Sunny.
Correct.
Situation number 2.
Many clouds fill the sky.
Cloudy.
Exactly.
Situation number 3.
Water is falling from the sky.
Rainy.
Perfect.
Situation number 4.
The air is moving strongly.
Windy.
Great.
Situation number 5.
The temperature is very low.
Cold.
Excellent.
Situation number 6.
Frozen water is falling from the sky.
Snowy.
Fantastic.
You're doing great, everyone.
The more you hear these words, the more natural they will feel.
And don't worry if you forget some words.
Learning a language takes time.
Small steps every day can make a big difference.
That's why practicing simple topics like weather is so helpful.
You can use these words almost every day.
With friends,
With classmates.
with coworkers.
Or even with people you meet for the first time.
Weather conversations are simple, friendly, and useful.
And there are many more common weather questions and answers people use in everyday English.
Let's continue talking about weather and practice some real-life conversations together.
Let's continue with some real-life weather conversations.
Great idea. These conversations will help you use weather English naturally.
Conversation number 1.
Hi, Ellie. How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
That's nice.
Yes, it's a beautiful day.
Are you going outside?
Yes, I am. I'm going for a walk.
Have fun.
Thank you.
That was a simple and natural conversation.
Let's try another one.
Hi, Ellie. How's the weather today?
It's rainy.
Oh, no.
That's okay. I have an umbrella.
Good idea.
I always carry one on rainy days.
Very smart.
Here's another conversation.
How's the weather outside?
It's windy and cold.
Then you need a jacket.
Yes, I do.
Maybe a scarf, too.
That's probably a good idea.
These are the kinds of conversations people have every day.
Short, simple, and useful.
Now let's learn some weather questions you can ask.
The first one is very common.
How's the weather?
Another common question is,
What's the weather like?
let's practice.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
Great.
What's the weather like?
It's cloudy.
Excellent.
What's the weather like?
It's warm and windy.
Perfect.
Here's another useful question.
Is it hot outside?
Possible answers are,
Yes, it is.
no, it isn't.
It's warm.
Let's try one more.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is.
Great.
No, it isn't.
Wonderful.
Asking and answering questions is an important English skill.
And weather is a great topic for practice.
Now let's talk about seasons.
Seasons and weather often go together.
There are 4 seasons in many countries:
Spring,
summer
autumn, also called fall.
and winter.
Spring is often warm and rainy.
Flowers begin to grow.
Many people enjoy spring because everything looks fresh.
Summer is usually hot and sunny.
Children often have vacations during summer.
People go to beaches, parks, and outdoor events.
Autumn is often cool and windy.
Leaves change color.
Trees look beautiful.
Winter is usually cold.
In some places, it snows.
People wear warm clothes.
Danny, what's your favorite season?
I like spring
Why?
because the weather is comfortable.
Good choice.
What about you?
I like summer because I enjoy sunny days.
That's a great reason.
Everyone listening can think about their favorite season.
Maybe you like winter.
Maybe you like autumn.
Or perhaps you love summer.
There is no wrong answer.
Now let's do a quick weather review.
I'll say the word.
And I'll explain it.
Sunny,
The sun is shining.
cloudy,
There are many clouds.
rainy,
Rain is falling.
windy,
There is a lot of wind.
hot,
The temperature is high.
warm,
Comfortable, not hot and not cold.
cold,
The temperature is low.
snowy,
Snow is falling, or there is snow outside.
stormy.
There is a storm.
Fantastic.
That's a lot of useful weather vocabulary.
And every word can help you communicate in English.
Remember, Learning English does not happen in one day.
It happens one step at a time.
Every new word is progress.
Every sentence you practice makes you stronger.
Don't be afraid of making mistakes.
Mistakes are a normal part of learning.
Even advanced speakers make mistakes sometimes.
The important thing is to keep practicing.
Try talking about the weather every day.
Look outside your window and describe what you see.
You can say, "It's sunny,"
Or, it's cloudy.
or "It's windy today."
Simple practice can create big results.
Before we finish, let's answer one final question.
How's the weather today where you are?
Take a moment and answer out loud.
Maybe it's sunny.
Maybe it's rainy.
Maybe it's warm and beautiful.
Whatever the weather is, use your English and describe it.
That's excellent practice.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We hope this episode helped you learn useful English.
Keep listening, keep learning, and keep speaking.
Little by little, your English will grow stronger every day.
We believe in you.
And we're happy to be part of your English journey.
This is Ellie.
And this is Danny.
Thank you for listening to Friend English Podcast.
Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.